The best meal plan to lose fat faster. Eat like this. Welcome, lovely people. There are so many people who actually want to lose their weight and are finding the simplest way that can help them to lower their weight. In this video, we are going to talk about the best meal plan to lose fat faster. Before we start the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel. This pattern menu contains quite a lot of nutrient, fiber and protein-rich meals that will help you attain your weight reduction goals. Heights should be adjusted to your particular person wants. Snacks examples are included on this plan, however stay utterly optionally available. Saturday. Breakfast. Pumpkin pancakes topped with Greek or plant-based yogurt, chopped nuts and fresh strawberries. Lunch. Leftover chili served on a mattress of greens and wild rice. Snack. Nut and dried fruit pat combined. Dinner. Shrimp or bean fajitas with grilled onion, bell peppers and guacamole, served on a corn tortilla. Sunday. Breakfast. In a single-day oat topped with chopped pecans, mango and coconut flakes. Lunch. Tuna or chickpea salad, served atop combined greens with sliced avocado, sliced apple and walnuts. Snack. Yogurt with fruit. Dinner. Grilled salmon or tempeh, potatoes and sauteed kale. Monday. Breakfast. In a single-day oat made with rolled oats, chia seeds and milk, topped with contemporary berries and pumpkin seeds. Lunch. Pre-made egg and veggie muffins with a contemporary basil and tomato salad and a few avocados. Snack. Mango spinach smoothie. Dinner. Self-made cauliflower crust pizza topped with pesto, mushrooms, pepper, a handful of spinach and marinated rooster or tempeh. Tuesday. Breakfast. Breakfast smoothie made with kale, frozen cherries, banana protein powder, flax seeds and milk. Lunch. Combined inexperienced salad with cucumber, bell pepper, tomato, corn, candy potato, olives and grilled salmon or roasted chickpeas. Snack. Sliced apple with peanut butter. Dinner. Pink lentil dal served on a mattress of chilled spinach and brown rice. Wednesday. Breakfast. Spanish omelette made with eggs, potatoes, onions and pepper, served with an aspect of salsa. Lunch. Leftover pink lentil dal and contemporary spinach over brown rice. Snack. Self-made pat combined utilizing your favorite unsalted, unroasted nuts and unsweetened dried fruit. Dinner. Rooster or tofu meatballs in a Mariana sauce served with spaghetti squash on a mattress of combined chilled greens and topped with Parmesan cheese or dietary yeast. Thursday. Breakfast. Yogurt topped with contemporary fruit and chopped walnuts. Lunch. Kale salad topped with a poached egg or marinated seitan, in addition to dried cranberries, cherry tomatoes, whole grain pita chips and an avocado mango dressing. Snack. Carrots, radishes and cherry tomatoes dipped in hummus. Dinner. Beef or a black bean burger topped with lettuce, tomato, roasted peppers, caramelized onions and pickles, served on a small whole wheat bun and peppers and onions on the aspect. Friday. Breakfast. Breakfast salad made with spinach, self-made granola, walnuts, blueberries, coconut flakes, and raspberry French dressing. In addition to 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs for further protein in the events you like. Lunch. Self-made veggie spring rolls, dipped in peanut butter sauce and served with an aspect of uncooked veggies. Snack. Whole wheat crackers with a cheese or spicy mashed black bean unfold. Dinner. Chili served on a mattress of green and wild rice. Anyways guys, that's it for at this time. If you maintain this routine correctly, you are sure to lose your fat faster and you will surely have a sound body. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you are all doing well.